In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate a payment link in Stripe in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner or someone managing online transactions, knowing how to efficiently control your payment links is essential. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your preferred web browser and head over to Stripe's website at stripe.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the sign in button located prominently at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Next, you'll arrive at the login screen where you're required to enter your email and password. Make sure you use the account details associated with your Stripe account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there's an option to reset it, so don't worry too much if you can't recall it right off the bat. After entering your credentials, hit the sign in button to access your dashboard. Now you're in, welcome to the heart of your Stripe operations. The first stop is the Home section. It's a great starting point where you can view a snapshot of recent activities and key metrics that matter to your business. To move further towards deactivating your payment links, navigate to the left sidebar and find the option labeled Payments. A quick click here will lead you directly to the section that deals with all things related to processing payments. Now that you are in the Payments section, look for payment links within this menu. These links are incredibly useful for collecting payments without needing a full-fledged website, but sometimes you'll want to deactivate them to control the flow of transactions. Click on Payment Links, and you'll see a list of all the payment links you have created so far. Scroll through the list and identify the specific payment link you wish to deactivate. Once you have found it, you'll notice 3 small dots located right beside the link. Hover over these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will find an option labeled Deactivate. Clicking this option lets Stripe know you want to turn off this particular payment link. But wait, before it's all said and done, Stripe will prompt you to confirm your decision. A confirmation box will appear, simply click Confirm to proceed with deactivating the link. And there you have it, a neat step-by-step guide to deactivating a payment link in Stripe. It's a fairly straightforward process, but if you have multiple links, remember to keep track of which ones are active to maintain a smooth operation. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials.